To boil a hot dog in the microwave, start by sticking a plastic fork into the hot dog about 3/4 of the way from the end. Angle the fork so that the handle is almost parallel to the hot dog, and the end of the fork extends slightly past the end of the hot dog. Next, place the hot dog and the fork in a microwave-safe glass. Choose a glass with sides that are taller than the hot dog, but short enough so that the end of the fork sticks up above the top of the glass. Fill the glass with enough cold water to completely cover the hot dog. Place the glass in the microwave and cook the hot dog on high for 2 minutes or 3 minutes if you are cooking 2 hot dogs at once. Use oven mitts or a pot holder to remove the glass from the microwave. Be careful, since the glass and the water will be very hot. Use the fork to take the hot dog out of the glass and put it in a bun.